Hey folks, Rogers Motor Cars here. Today we've got a gorgeous 1990 GMC Jimmy. It's K5. It's a beautiful truck. It's been restored. That paint is fresh, black and silver with the red pinstriping. It's a very, very nice paint job. I would say probably better than the factory paint job. It's not a bunch of junk in the paint. There's no fish eyes. It's not rough or no solvent pop, nothing like that. It's really, really clean. Wheels and tires are new. Those are 15-inch wheels. And these are 35-inch by 12.5 tires, mud terrain. It's got a new 4-inch rough country suspension lift on it, new grille, new headlights, all new lenses all the way around. Very clean, everything's working. New bumpers. No rust at all on this truck. The undercarriage is really, really nice. Under the hood is really nice. There's some pictures in the photo gallery on the website of all of that. It's got power windows and locks. Also has power mirrors and these rear sliding windows here. It's an option. It's got a tow hitch on the back. This stainless steel was also replaced here. Very clean. It's got a single pipe exhaust here. It's not real loud and rumbly like some of these are. It's kind of quiet, actually. Inside, did all new interior, brand new carpet, brand new seats. Our shop did this. New foam in these seats. Did perforated leather in the middle. This is all brand new, front and back. Really, really nice. Back here. Really comfortable. Also got a new headliner in here. We did the door panel inserts. These are new as well. New carpet down here. AC has all been converted over. 134A, that's all been overhauled. This is the factory radio, still in its position, but there is a aftermarket radio right there, Bluetooth. So that's what actually runs these new speakers, Pioneer speakers front and back. There's no cracks in the dash. Really nice, all the gauges work. It's 124,000 miles, almost 124,000 miles. The transmission was rebuilt at 120,000. No oil leaks on this truck at all. Runs great, drives great, disc brakes in the front. Very, very clean. One of the cleanest that we've had come through here. Certainly probably one of the best paint jobs. Give us a call, text, or email. We are available anytime. We can do deals anywhere in the country. If you're remote, it's no problem. Paperwork can be done remotely. And we can ship it to you anywhere in the country, so that's not a problem at all. 4-wheel drive works, of course. Everything's working. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to holler. Subscribe to our channel here. You can also follow us on Instagram. We post a lot of stuff coming down the pipeline there. That's Rogers_motorcars. And go ahead and follow us on Instagram as well. So we hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.